Ever wondered how Feng Shui can transform your garden into a harmonious sanctuary? Emerging from ancient China, Feng Shui is a philosophy that seeks to balance energies in any given space. Find out how you can apply Feng Shui to your garden in the next few steps. To start with, Feng Shui revolves around the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Each element carries a unique significance. Wood, represented by plants, symbolizes growth and vitality. Fire, manifested through sunlight or outdoor lighting, signifies energy and transformation. Earth, embodied by rocks and soil, grounds us, fostering stability. Metal, often seen in garden ornaments, encourages clarity and precision. Lastly, water, with its fluidity found in ponds or fountains, promotes wisdom and serenity. Having all these elements in your garden creates a balanced and positive energy. Next, let's talk about the Bagua map, an essential tool in Feng Shui. The Bagua map, a grid of 9 squares, is like a compass for energy flow, guiding the placement of elements for harmony and balance. Each square corresponds to a different life aspect, such as wealth, health, or relationships. By using this map, you can identify the areas in your garden that need a certain element or color to enhance positive energy. Using the Bagua map, you can effectively arrange your garden for optimal positive energy. There are more Feng Shui tips you can apply to your garden. Consider adding a wind chime. Its soothing sounds can promote the flow of positive energy. Next, why not place a bird bath or feeder? This can attract wildlife, creating a lively and harmonious space. Lastly, think about planting flowers with positive symbolism. For instance, peonies symbolize wealth and honor, while sunflowers represent longevity and good luck. These simple additions can significantly enhance the Feng Shui in your garden. Harmonizing your garden with Feng Shui is an enriching experience. Embrace the magic of the 5 elements, use the Bagua map, and apply our Feng Shui tips. Enjoy the harmony in your garden. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening tips. Until next time, happy gardening!